Welcome to this quick tutorial on the one-shot extraction feature. First, choose the tour you want to work with and click View. Wait a few moments until you're fully inside the tour view. Next, select the panorama where you want to extract your feature. Then, activate one-shot extraction and pick the extraction tool you'd like to use. You're now in extraction mode. Let's extract this tree. Simply click on it. If you don't want to take a screenshot, just hit Skip. Then, click Triangulation and wait until the process is complete. Finally, fill in the required information.